Hello and welcome to 3D Printed Project. In today's video, we're going to look at me going to Comic-Con for the very first time and looking for 3D prints. Now here's a challenge for you. I want you to comment down below what you think I found for 3D prints. Alrighty, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate people watching my content. I just hit 500 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. Yeah, hopefully this channel grows even more and so I can continue making these videos. It's a lot of fun for me. Hopefully it's a lot of fun for you too. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, I should probably tell you. So where we're going, okay. Salsbury House, it's been in Winnipeg forever. It's a Winnipeg restaurant, and I would say this place is probably more nostalgic than quality. I'm not also telling you that we're gonna eat like shit food, but it's also not like a high-end place. But I figured you needed to see the iconic Salsbury House. They have a sandwich called the Big Nip, so you know.
I think I'll try that.
That's right up your alley, yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome to downtown Winnipeg. Got upset with Randy, who was our bass player.
Yep.
And as we were leaving, Randy said something about the performance, and our guitar player kicked this window in. Kicked this window in. So all the money that we made that night
had to be used for...
Had to go to fix this. It was over $900. But what I can say is, I actually own that window.
There you go.
Right. Oh.
Really?
Come on. Greetings.
It would be funny if it's at PDD's basement.
What are they made of?
I think foam.
Oh, there's Homelander art.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I like these. I do think it's foam.
That's plastic.
3D printed, okay.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Oh, what about these fellas?
These guys are made out of foam board.
Foam? Foam.
Yeah, so it's like laser cut. And
Laser cut. Wow.
Cool. It's a part.
How's it going? How much for the bleach one?
80.
80 bucks?
Are you paying on cash or you card?
Cart. Yep.
There you go.
Alrighty, thank you.
It's got a protector coating. I peeled the corner up a little bit, so it should be easy to peel the rest off.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you. Hello. Sorry, I'm not supposed to be here?
No, you're good.
Yeah? Okay.
Hard to tell anything.
All good, all good.
What? It's mix and match, so you could choose a different plant if you want, or this one is good for you.
Is it a fake plant?
It's a real plant.
It's a real
You have
plant.
to take care
Oh,
of it.
okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this one's good.
All right.
Yeah. It's just a gift from my wife, so
Oh,
she'll know what to do.
Sure.
Well, here's a familiar face.
Right. Okay. Sorry, Eric.
Can I buy something here? This one. Yep.
Seen Ichigo.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wearing the sweater too.
Yeah, right there.
Almost think you have a job here by now.
I know, right? Sorry.
It's all good. I did end up buying more stuff for the wife.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 4th edition of the Winnipeg Comic-Con. We are officially open. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You heard him, Mark.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
All of this made out of Legos. Yeah. You don't mind if I record?
It's way too fast. You can break it straight out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Special motion machine.